Internal app sharing on Google Play Store is a feature that allows app developers to share versions of their apps that have not been officially published with others, such as the development team or testers, using a special link. This feature is very useful for trials or beta testing before the app is released to the public. Now, to be able to test an app that has not been released, the development team or tester needs to activate this internal app sharing feature first. Open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon and go to Settings. After that, tap About, then tap 7 times on Play Store version. So now you are a developer. Now, tap the General menu, open Developer Options, and enable the internal app sharing feature. And you're done. That's how to enable the internal app sharing feature on Google Play Store. Hope it is useful and thank you for watching.